Alright guys, so we're here in Disney Animal Kingdom, and what it is a theme park about animals of Disney like lions and elephants. From Dumbo, Lion King, you guessed it, and every other Disney movie that involves animals in a tropical setting, or it can be in a winter setting as well. But as you can see, this is actually more on the nature side instead of the urbanization of Disney Hollywood Studios. It actually reminds me of the floating mountains in Avatar. If you guys saw that movie, that was the top grossing movie of 2009. And wow, they're actually real flamingos too. Now this is my type of setting personally because I love the jungle, and if I ever get lost, I mean, nature will guide me anywhere I walk. Geez, you know what I wish I could swim in? Going from Canada to here is actually quite a night and day difference. I mean, in Canada we were sitting at like minus 20, minus 30, but here we're sitting at like 20, 30 degrees. And honestly, I prefer this type of weather, but I've always been used to the cold, but honestly, this actually is pretty nice. Sweet, we found the tree of life. That's beautiful, gotta admit.
Oh, there's the Yoda here.
I mean, what do you expect? I mean, this is the jungle. I mean, this is not Star Wars. Alright guys, so the next ride we're going to is the Mount Everest Expedition, inspired by Indiana Jones, I believe. And all the footage that you're gonna see of us riding in this ride will be on a GoPro Hero 8.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's some human music.
Look at the rubber bands being put in there, oh my So far, that has been my favorite ride. That was so much fun, honestly. I mean, if you guys saw, like, I also recorded footage of rubber bands being stuck on a rock wall. Unacceptable. Mom, how do you feel after that ride? Dizzy?
Almost have heart attack.
Alright guys, so the next ride we're going to is the Kilimanjaro Safari. And just so you know, I'm not going to be recording using my phone. I'll be recording using my camera because it is better in low light conditions.
The rear end of the zebra, but actually more.
So our next ride is gonna be
Cali Rapid.
yeah, that's what I was talking about. See? I mean, we go up through there and then we'll see what happens on. Okay guys, this is an update, well kind of, not really an update. Now that's my favorite ride. We got splashed in water, we heard lots of screams, and then we got to see like deforestation. If we keep destroying the environment, that's what we will deserve actually. Like where we fall, we get scared, and that's guilt. If that makes any sense. Alright, let me just check this hot tub whether or not it's actually pretty warm. Oh, it is actually pretty warm, not too hot. I mean it's better than the cold water than we have over there, so. You call that what?
SPA.
How so? How so? Alright guys, so today we're not going to Universal Studios. We are gonna go to Disney World, but only to Disney Springs. We're just taking a break today, just exploring the whole resort. Calypso Cay. How many stars is this resort, Mom?
5, of course.
No, I'm not sure. This is
Was 5.
It looks like a 5-star resort to me. I'll give you a quick tour on what's in this resort and what things you can do here. There's golfing, pool. I mean, I've given you 2 things already. I'm just switching to my GoPro because I don't want my phone to get wet, and I know it's waterproof, but I just don't want it to get wet. Doesn't everybody get sensitive these days? Oh, get splashed on. Oh, good times, Mom. Alright, I'm gonna do this. And that ultra wide view actually looks really nice from here. You can see everything. Going from 100 field of view to 120 field of view. If you know what I'm saying. Every PC gamer knows this. Oh, cool. You have another pool right there. And you get a slide too, which is the main attraction. Yeah, Mom, what's this part?
There's a rock climb.
Oh, cool. So you get to rock climb on here. And it's fairly tall as well. Unfortunately, it's closed because of the bar right here. Oh, sweet. There's a zip line over there.